but currently I live in Delhi.
I see. I see. That's great.
Yeah.
That's good. That's really good.
What about you, sir?
I live in Gujarat, sir. I'm from Gujarat, Surat.
Actually, I am your subscriber.
I see. Thank you. Thank you
So
for
I
that.
I watch so many videos.
Yes, yes. Are you enjoying my videos?
Yeah, yeah, a lot of enjoying.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. What you do, sir? What you do?
I'm a nursing staff, male nurse.
Male nurse in a
Yeah,
hospital.
yeah, yeah. I work in a
I
hospital.
I see. Like a BSc nurse, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah. BSc nursing. I have
BSc
completed my.
nurse. I see. Mashallah. That's very good. It's you are working in a private hospital or you're working in a government hospital?
No, no, private hospital.
You're working in a private hospital. So today, I think today is your off. I think.
Yeah, actually, my duty is shift wise. Today I
I
think
see.
morning. Yeah,
So you have 8 hour duty or you have a 10 hour duty, Mr. Rathod?
8 hour duty.
8 hour duty. Are you enjoying your job? Are you enjoying 8 hour duty, Mr. Rathod?
Actually, I have completed my 5 to 6 years. I have experience. So
I
now
see.
it's a boring for me now.
Why it's boring for you now? What? What is the
Actually,
reason behind it?
no one wants to go in hospital, and
Mm,
my profession is a daily routine in hospital. I spend my whole life. I thought my
I
whole life spent in hospital.
I see. I see. So you want to do something adventure. You want to do something new, isn't it? You are looking for
Yeah, yeah,
something new. Yeah.
new.
Yeah. Like what?
Actually, I see so many people like BPO sector and
Mm-hmm,
different job. They have
mm-hmm.
so many off Sunday, Saturday, but I don't have any off. Only weekly off.
I see.
Yeah.
So especially because of off, you would like to change your profession.
No, no. Actually, I have completed
Mm.
my BSc graduation, and
Uh-huh.
I don't have any other skill. So
I see.
what can I do?
Yes, you can't do anything.
Yeah, yeah,
You can't do anything. But although if you will work hard, you can do so many things.
yeah, yeah.
But the
Actually,
thing is, go ahead, tell me.
yeah. Actually, I have. I think one month ago, I have created my own YouTube channel.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah,
So,
MashaAllah. That's nice.
yeah,
That's
yeah.
nice. All about what? What about your channel?
Actually, I don't have any skill, so I told you. I'm these days I'm learning English.
I see.
I want to fluent in English, so
Mm-hmm.
my channel is also in English topic.
I see. I see. So,
I teach.
you teach English
Yeah,
to
yeah,
student? I see.
yeah,
That's
yeah.
great. So, your purpose of learning English, you wanted to earn money, or you wanted to teach people, or you wanted to help people?
No, no, actually, I can't proper teach student because I
Mm-hmm.
don't have much time. But I
Mm-hmm.
upload some short videos like
Mm-hmm.
different advanced texture. So
Mm-hmm.
not only earning money, not
Mm-hmm.
only doing this.
Only to
It's
fun,
only
to
for
learn, to only for
fun, fun.
fun. I think only for fun.
Yeah,
So,
yeah, yeah.
Mr. Rathod, what is the future plan now? I think you seems bored from your job. So, what's your future plan? What will you do then? What will you do in the next?
Actually, I have already told you I don't have
Mm-hmm.
any skill.
Mm-hmm.
So my
But
future plan, I think,
no, although you don't have any skill, but what you are doing, what you are trying something to gain some skill or not, still the going on the same thing.
Actually, I want to fluent in English, so I try to some other job like a BPO sectors and different job.
I see.
If you know
That's
any
yeah. Tell me if you
if you
know.
know English, yeah, then you
Mhm.
can get so many jobs, right?
Yeah, but in my opinion, your profession is better than BPO or MNC. In my opinion, I'm not damn sure about what I'm exactly saying, but as far as I know, your profession is a great, sir.
Yeah,
You
yeah,
can
yeah,
do so many things in your profession if you will concentrate, if you will work hard on your profession, then you can do so many things. If you will change your profession again, so you will start from the zero again, and whatever you
yeah,
have
yeah,
spent in your 5 or 6 year in a nursing field, it would be waste. It would be waste
yeah,
if
yeah.
you will change your field. If you will change your field, what do you think? This idea?
Actually, you're right,
Yes,
but
absolutely.
yeah, yeah, yeah. But I think I if I'm a fluent, then I can
Mm.
do some other thing, other work, other. I can improve myself. So many different work.
I see. So if you believe in yourself, if you believe in yourself, then you can take a risk. If you believe in yourself, that you confirm that I can do with something, I can do something. If I learned English, I can do something, then you can go, please.
Give me feedback about my English.
Yeah, I'll give you. Give me some time. I'll give you. Give me some time. I'll give you. So you are from
Did you
Bihar
find?
or Uttar Pradesh? You are
I'm
from
from
Bihar
UP.
or Uttar Pradesh? Where in Uttar Pradesh?
Actually, UP in Manpuri Eta. Do you know Manpuri Eta? Eta Manpuri.
No, no. I just only know
I'm
Allahabad,
Eta,
Allahabad,
Eta-
Kanpur only.
yeah, yeah. I am from Eta district. It's nearby Agra.
I see, I see. Nearby Agra,
Eta district. I'm from Eta
Etah
district.
district.
It's nearby
I,
Agra.
I see, I see, I see. And which hospital working in Delhi? It's a what is the name of your hospital?
Fortis Hospital.
Fortis, Fortis.
You're right.
Although your English is good, sir. Your English is very good. I'm not saying that not bad. It's okay. Your English is okay.
Actually, I know. I think all about grammar, but I
Hmm.
can't speak fluent of my
Uh-huh.
in not environment.
Yeah,
my
absolutely
my
right.
whole study from
I see. Absolutely. Absolutely. The main reason behind that why we are not fluent in English, because we don't have the environment. We barely speak English in
yeah,
a day, half an hour or 1 hour. Barely in a whole day. Otherwise, whole day we speak English. We speak Hindi with our colleague, with our staff, with our patients, with our doctors. We speak in Hindi. We communicate in Hindi. This is the main reason. This is the main reason behind that
yeah,
we
yeah.
are. It will take time to be get fluent in English.
Actually, your voice is a little bit breaking. I can't hear you proper.
I think because of a network internet issue. I think
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I
now.
think.
Yes, yes. That's good. That's good. Then, Mr. Rathod, tell me something, sir. Tell me something about what's going on. How's your life? How many children do you have, Mr. Rathod?
Actually, I have a son. I
You
have a
have
son.
son. Yes, yes.
His name is Raghav. His name is Raghav.
Raghav, mashallah. That's nice. That's great.
He is
That's
two
great.
years old. He's 2 years old.
Great, great. And how many brothers and sisters do you have?
Actually, I have four brothers.
You, along with you,
No, along a part of me.
apart from you, you have a four brother.
Yeah, yeah.
Along with you, totally five. You don't have a
Five,
sister?
five.
You don't have a
No, I
sister?
don't have any. No, I don't have a
Yes.
sister.
Great. And what's your other brothers do?
Actually, my elder brother is a retired ex-serviceman
in army or police? From
in army.
army,
In
yes.
army.
So in army, that's great. And what else? What else?
So they nothing do is special, but
Uh,
he live in here because my own house in Delhi.
I see.
They only live here and sometimes do some different work. Not
I see.
exactly.
I see. I see. I see. And what about your other brothers? Like, what about now three brothers remaining? What they do?
Actually, my younger brother is studying right now,
I see.
and my another brother live with my father at home, my village
I
town.
see. I see. In your village. Do you have a farm, Mr. Rathod? Do you have a farm in your village?
Yeah, I have farm. Actually, my father is a farmer.
Yes, mashallah, mashallah. That's great.
My mother is a
That
house.
that's great. That's great. That's very good.
Yeah,
That's very good. That's very good, sir. So, Mr. Rathod, I think it's time to move on. Allow me to go. Your English is good. You need more practice. You know, if you want to be fluent in English, practice every day. Practice, practice,
yeah, yeah,
practice. If you want to be fluent, if you want to do something, if you want to be fluent like me, like better than me, practice every day, Mr. Rathod.
yeah,
Practice, practice, practice makes you perfect only.
yeah, yeah. Exactly.
Okay,
Right,
and
right.
this video is recorded. Do you allow me to post on the YouTube so people would learn from us something?
Sure, sure, sure.
Okay, then take care. Have a good day. Have a nice
Good
night.
day, good.
Whatever it is. Bye. Take care, sir.